Remember, I like to get all the gunk out of my brows first, so I did that today. I have my makeup washcloth through my brow stuff. I have so much taupe and cool tone stuff that this was difficult, but I found light for Ulta, and I have no idea for e.l.f. So we're gonna try the e.l.f. one and see. That looks taupe, which, like I said, that's usually what I go with. I'm starting some cooler tone browns now, as I'm getting more comfortable with my eyebrows getting more filled in. Okay, those are both taupe, the both two e.l.f. ones. So we're gonna do the Ulta Beauty and we're gonna see. Now, why am I doing this today? It's different. Notice I didn't start way up at the front. And even though it's not warm tone, like I said, I could pull out my makeup bag, my kit. I don't want to right now. So I started out here and I worked towards the center, and then I came back out again. And remember, we talked yesterday about how to figure out where your eyebrows start and stop. However, when you're doing your own, a lot of times you kind of remember. This one's looking better today. So we want to get this good. Come down. Now, you don't want a blunt tail. I mean, maybe you do. I don't want a blunt tail. So I am going to come in with, how do I have that skinny here? My one size pencil. So it has the lighter tip. First, I'm going to brush it out some. Brush out, not down. You lift it up, right? Here's warm toned eyeshadow. This is why I don't wear it. It's supposed to pop with the blue. And that confused me for a while because across the color wheel from blue is orange. So they're supposed to complement each other well. I don't like it. Maybe it looks good, but this is the palette I'm using. It's the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. And I'm using this one, and this one. And I moved them around so I can't tell you what names anything is. So we'll start down here. So you'll usually want to start your eyeshadow line or eyelash line and work your way up. And these were my Made by Mitchell brushes that I got in. A lot of the eyeshadow brushes seem very, very, very similar. Okay, and then I have this one in this color. Well, you can't see it, the mustardy color. And just like, and then I come out here and flick up. So there's my warm toned eyeshadow. Eyeliner is Urban Decay Whiskey. I sped up the video because our staff was coming in this morning and chatting and everything, so you didn't need to hear that. Just here's the end of it. I love that new Bubble Mascara, and there we go, ready for the day.